our medical day, and I have our good friend Sharky. Look, Sharky, what are you pointing to there? A medical bag, it looks like. So today is medical day. You're about to hear so many cool interviews from our fellow students here at Edgewater. You're going to be hearing from a doctor, a nurse, a vet, and learning how they are essential workers during this pandemic and what they have done to save so many lives. Bye.
My name is Dr. Kyle Mathis. I'm a veterinarian. How can I help you?
What is your job?
I am a veterinarian.
Okay, what is the funnest part in your job?
The funnest part of my job, if you can hold on a second, I'll show you. Can you hold on 1 second?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is the funnest part of my job.
Aww.
Is I get to work with all sorts of different animals. This is Chloe, and she's a little old Chihuahua. She had some teeth problems. Like I don't know if you've ever had to go to the dentist with
a
cavity. Yeah. So they get the same sort of problems, and the veterinary nurses and the veterinarians, we help them with everything. They can have skin problems, hair problems. We try to keep them healthy. So I get to work with lots of cute dogs, cats, pigs, birds. What is your name, Aunt? What is your name?
My name is Oliver Embry.
Oliver?
Mm-hmm.
Oliver, do you have any pets, or do you know anybody with any pets?
Yes, I have 3 pets.
Oh, wow.
One of them's a dog, and the other 2 are cats.
Oh, awesome. Okay, very good. So this is the funnest part of my job, is I get to help people and I get to help animals.
Yeah. What's the most common animal you see?
Well, for me, it would be dogs. But for some veterinarians, it would be a horse or cows. It all depends on where we work. But for me, it's dogs.
Yeah. Why did you choose this career?
Well, I love helping people. I really love helping people, and I really love animals. So that's why I really love helping people. I like solving problems.
How long have you worked at the vet?
Well, I've been a veterinarian now for 18 years. 18 years. But before that, I worked for about 7 years cleaning kennels and walking dogs and answering phones. So I was a veterinary assistant for about 6 or 7 years while I was going through school.
Did you always want to be a veterinarian?
No, these are really good questions, Oliver. No, for a lot of people, they've known their whole life. For me, I was a bit older, but I've always loved animals. When I was a kid, I always had a bunch of rats and fish and hamsters, and so I've always really loved animals.
What's your favorite animal that you've seen that's gone to the vet?
Well, I love them all, but my favorites are, I really love goats. I think goats are really awesome and fun animals. They're playful and they're kind of crazy, so I really love goats.
Thank you. Would you like to tell the school anything?
Well, I think it's really great you're doing all this, and I think you did a really great job, Oliver. Those were great questions, and you spoke very clearly and professionally, and so I think it's really I think it's really great you're all doing this.
Yeah. Thank you. Goodbye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
All right. Hello there.
Okay. So, hi, my name is Maricruz Magaña, and I have a couple questions about you and your job.
Okay.
So first question, what is your name?
My name is Richard Madalena.
Okay. And second question, What is the best part about your job?
Well, I get to work with people all the time and interact with people, and I get to help people. And when people are sick, I get to help them feel better. And I help to fix problems, and it's kind of a fun thing to do.
How do you think COVID-19 affected you and your job?
Very much. It has affected everything that we do in the medical field. So we have to wear protection like everybody else, and then we have very close exposure to people who have COVID, and so we have to take extra precautions and do special screenings and special types of preventative things for people. So it affects everything we do.
Okay. So how long have you been a doctor?
I've been practicing here in Yuba City for about 27 years.
Why did you choose to be a doctor?
Well, science and medicine has always been something that's been interesting to me ever since I was a little kid. And so I always had a strong interest in it. And so I just pursued that because I wanted to do something that I would enjoy for the rest of my life.
Growing up, did you always want to be a doctor?
Yes, I did. I pretty much wanted to be in the medical field for sure. And being a physician was something I always kind of thought about doing. Yes.
Did you go to college?
Did I go to college?
Yes.
Yes, I did. Absolutely.
Okay.
I went to college and then I went to medical school. And then after medical school, I did some extra training called residency that you have to do to be a physician. You have to train above and beyond medical school. So 4 years of college, 4 years of medical school, and anywhere from 3 to 6, 7 or 8 years of residency. A lot of schooling.
Tell us what a day in your life looks like.
Well, my days start out pretty early. I usually get up early in the morning and go to the hospital and see my patients that are in the hospital. And then if I have some surgeries, I do those. And then I go to my office and spend most of the day in the office, and usually get done in the office around 4:30 or so, 5 o'clock. And then if I'm not on call, then I go home. But if I'm on call, then I have to go back to the hospital. And many times I spend the night at the hospital too. So sometimes my days can be very long.
Have you ever done like any baby deliveries?
That's I do a lot of baby deliveries. In fact, in the last 24 hours, I've delivered 3 babies.
Wow. What was the most difficult baby delivery that you've ever done?
Oh my goodness, there's been a lot. There's sometimes they don't always go smooth. They don't always go easy. Most of the time it does, but sometimes they're difficult and challenging, and so we have to use all of our skills and knowledge to be able to have safe deliveries.
Well, that's it. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Good luck with your project.
Okay, hi, my name is Chloe, and what is your name?
My name is Gurkira. First of all, I just want to say thank you to you all for having me here today and interview me. I know it's kind of hard over doing it online and stuff. I wish I could be there with you guys, but since it's COVID and stuff, it's hard. So thank you for allowing me to talk to you guys today.
Yeah, you're welcome. What is your job title?
So my job title is a registered nurse.
Registered nurse.
So yeah.
What is your career?
I work as a nurse in the hospital.
Why did you choose your career?
So the reason why I chose this career is The reason why I chose this career is because I, growing up, I always wanted to become a cop. But in school, in high school, towards the end of my senior year, um, I started looking into the medical field a little more. I just like the hours, the flexibility, the opportunity to expand the career, go in different routes. It's just I just really like the job to like helping people and see people get better. So that's a reason why I chose to become a nurse.
How long have you worked in like
Um,
the hospital?
in the hospital, so it's been about a year now. So I graduated from school last year around this time. So it's almost been a year since I've been working as a nurse.
What is the best part about your job?
Um, the best part about my job is just seeing people get better. Like, like people coming to the hospital very sick, they're not doing very well, but after when they get better, it's very nice to see them get better and the process and seeing them from being really sick to now better, able to leave the hospital and stuff. So it just brings satisfaction to me that I made a difference in someone's life. So that really just gives me joy to see that.
Um, what advice can you give to me and your fellow peers?
Some advice I would give is just keep following your dreams. Stay in school, study hard. If you have a career, just stick to it. Don't second guess yourself. Just do it. If you like it, do it. So that's just my advice. Just stick to keep studying hard and just don't second guess yourself. Just stick to the career. And if you like it, just go through with it.
Um, Thank you for your time with us. And I had fun learning about your job and your career. And is there anything you would like to say?
Yeah, thank you guys for having me again. So I'd just like to say, I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe, wearing your mask every time you're going out. And I hope we can all just go back to normal soon and the pandemic ends and everything can get back to how it was before. So stay safe, study hard, and stay in school, guys. And thank you for having me today.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.